Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. Today I wanted to talk to you about a subject that's become near and dear to a lot of our hearts, and that's fabric face masks. I have found a new way to make them and a new pattern that I absolutely love. I used my Cricut Maker. I went to Cricut Access and I accessed their patterns. They have them in multiple sizes. They have a youth small, a youth, they have a medium. You see where this is going, right? A large, and even an adult extra large pattern. These patterns, they come with, they're kind of two sizes. You see where one's not quite as wide as the other. This is the fabric, the mask front, and this is the pattern for the lining. It's just a little bit smaller because this pattern allows for a casing and allows for a filter pocket. Two amazing things that I included in the face mask, in the pleated face mask that I designed. When I first started looking for face mask patterns, there just wasn't many out there. There was very little information. The CDC was even saying, don't use fabric face masks. They're not going to, prevent the spread of the coronavirus. And then lo and behold, if they didn't change their tune and say, guess what? Face masks help. So I was on that bandwagon before it was a bandwagon, I guess. But these patterns are amazing, and you can cut them out. You see how nice and straight these edges are? I'm telling you, it cuts the fabric out just as straight, just as cleanly. It's amazing. So you can go to Cricut Access, and you can either cut out the fabric with your Cricut Maker, or you can cut out a pattern like I've done here. I like these patterns because they allow me to simply lay them down and stack up my fabric right sides together. That's a little tip. Stack your fabric right sides together and then cut them out, 5, 6, 8 masks at a time, whatever you can tolerate with your cutter, and use a rotary cutter. It's amazing too. So you can use your Cricut Access to cut out the actual fabric, or you can use it to make patterns like I've done here. Now with this mask that I was showing you, I actually cut this out using my Cricut Maker. It turned out really well, I think. And I want to show you a couple really cool things about it. It has, like I said, the casing on the sides, so you can put the drawstring or elastic through the casings. And it also has the filter pockets, the same on the other side. The filter pocket isn't just on one side, it's on both sides of the face mask. There's the access from that side, and as you can see, the casing just pulls right through. All right, enough talking about the Cricut Maker and how it does such a fantastic job making these or cutting out these fabric face masks. And let me show you the results. This is the fabric face mask that I was showing you. You just take the looped end, which will be the bottom, put it over your head. You pull on the drawstring so that it tightens up against your neck. You pull the mask up and over your nose, tie behind your head. And I put a wire in my face mask, so I can just press down on the wire. Can you see how it's snugging up against my nose there? And these masks fit, I think, so amazingly well. I love them. This is the adult small medium. It's the same pattern. And I did use my Cricut Maker to cut out this fabric. And I think it's amazing. I hope you'll take a look at it and give it a try. Maybe it'll help you with your fabric mask sewing projects too. Thank you.